I just got a YouTube. Let's open it together.
Yes, YouTube and TikTok. This is life. And I'm using it in front of an adult. This is YouTube box.